IGP News, Mima Olivia Aquaba. Had yet latest and hot news in Kwa Enamide Bremo. NT, so we subscribe here. Omodia say over subscribe to the channel. The way I say over click the subscribe button. Now a belly notification. We are say you video be upload when the first person of Sabeka ASR video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for us now. We may be here now and some koso Ghana memohano. Afriyie bura some veto yepnoso. Yiti sam komo yakoso sasimi ababe to dey. Yiti ho sem. Yiti.
NPP for lower your politics now to the point at time. Oh, Sanko for mugu screen you see. These are all criminals, sir, and they all want to enter parliament. Ask yourself why. Busa who say identity and Akufo we nyina person bura parliament. These people are all the six criminal gang. More the big six in Ghana. You can the criminal big six omunye. They are involved in fraudulent deals. They have been involved in corrupt activities in the Jubilee house in and out. They have been involved in their illegal mining. These people have been involved in visa racketeering. These are hardened criminals, sir. Any country behind also jail. But for some reason, the NPP just say somebody, a filthy person like Owusu, a criminal like Eugene Ahina yeti kromha. Now before 2016 elections, the Yereba Abonte Bekache say they're not ordered to the bill, the rent to Krano Onibi. Today, Eugene Ahin has fleets of cars and estates upon estates. Eugene Ahin. All because he works at the Jubilee house. He's signing dubious contracts.
Watching juicy news on YouTube.
This girl, Akosia Menu,
all time.
On a worry Mark Menu the hacker. Or worry Mark Menu ba. This lady, through Max International, they duped thousands of people. In the Jubilee house, they were part of the group. My sister's keeper. This lady was an assistant or a PR to Rebecca Kufu. They are the ones who cooked my sister's keeper NGO now. Akufo Addo we are almost 400,000 Ghana in the name of their NGO. No, this was the girl who was behind it. Somebody like Charles Bissiu, somebody at TV so bribe criminal awokunipa. Black gold, excavators upon excavators, sir. Charles Bissiu area. Charles Bissiu was so parliament. Ask yourself why. Somebody like Pius Heze Hajide. Pius Hajide. Na ya mwakura ni ankete toilet ma. Who will say Pius era parliament? This guy is a visa racketeer. Akwawe yeri investigations came out. Oswa NPP force omo ya athletes. This guy, any government beba power, NDC ba power be ko jail. This guy called Jefferson Saki. Sakwa to Jubilee House for 8 years. Contract almost signing here. The dubious deals, the criminality. Sir Jefferson Saki, he created a whole company that was in charge of everything media when it comes to NPP government. Every event to be an NPP for the year where the president is in Ghana or out of Ghana, he created a company and used another person's name to represent the company. He was taking not less than $50,000 every trip when the president travels out. The boys and kuta cameras, the boys and kuta their lights. Or to me, the boys 5 or say a company be no media coverage now. It belonged to him. He has been able to get millions of dollars from the Jubilee house. Now he knows. Say fraud he might end up in jail. The big criminal 6, they all want parliamentary immunity under NPP. These are all jailbirds. Now ask yourself, because these are riffraffs we know have not actually worked in their lives. People like these, they have not worked in their lives. Today they have money to spend. They are giving out monies. They are doing what people who have basically worked as teachers, doctors, lawyers, people who have worked as at the immigration, as policemen, people who have sacrificed their life. The monies these criminals have made. Teacher Nibia Nigana, this criminal 6. And yes, Hasikanibi. Intimumusa say, what is making them wanting to enter parliament? Parliamentary immunity.
You're watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news
then
all
person
time.
I didn't tell person called parliament so bad because person who rap parliament na yen to mean jail omo. And don't rap parliament so MPs more immunity yen to mean see omo. These people are all jailbirds. Why do you think the NPP parody this group of criminals? Ask yourself why. Because NPP, Bawumia, and you know the funny thing, all these people are behind Bawumia. All these people are with the Bawumia campaign. All these people are behind Bawumia. They want to hide behind Bawumia and go to parliament. These people are hardened criminals. Nana Addo Danko Akufo Addo groomed. None of them and any experience or any credibility to enter our parliament in Ghana. None of these criminals. None of these people. Your visa racketeers, your galamseyers, your Jubilee House fraudsters. These are criminals. The big criminal six. And I'm asking you why? Why do they want they are so and the Jefferson Saki Obunko to do the constituent? Mumfamenko parliament. Kwasiana ne mame ho na ne mame da. Mumbusa is parliament ho na ne ho me wo. Also a journalist. So right now he's begging so much to enter parliament. They all know they will go to jail. All of these people. Say they be sorry and a Ghana Kronoaba. Ghana Kronoaba. Ghana. These are the people we need to put in jail. Into one hour nebu or momo escape jail to vote for these guys. So you are telling them say jail no so mo kone Ghana no one person mo beko. Inti opesa obwa Ghana no. How do you want to help Ghana? These are the big six criminals. Hey, yeah, it is very terrible. Hey, yes, your politics, no. Say I bedru level be a akromfo and ende sika no mo wie free e hodo. Sa sika no mo sade aka che say ensa mo mutumi na sankofo yo mu parliament anu do me. These are all these guys are all coming from the same classroom. They were all taught by the same criminal teacher. These are criminals. We momu ye before. So your mistake now push any of these people to parliament. That is the end of you. Sika omo over the years, no. Hwe Pius Eze millions and oko why years sika we ria. Yaso be ko ni fie na manfo asala o gate no. Or your tribal politics. Oh, we mu de awonafo insuo for mo Pius Eze wan kabi because unim idea ni nyina say Ghana for Jimmy baby ofri no ma Jimmy wa be wie sika na or they call parliament. This is sad. How did our politics get here? And you see these criminals. These are people with no good record. These people have no good record. There's nothing good about these criminals. Why should we allow these fools a way to enter parliament? Why?
You are watching Juicy
Into when you're talking about your big criminal six.
You are watching
the big criminal six. The big criminal six. This is the first big criminal six. I'll bring you the second big criminal six. These people are dangerous. Hey, Wemo. Dangerous. They were taught by Akufo Addo and Bawumia. They all started their work from the Jubilee House. Here, Owusu, Jubilee House criminal. Eugene Ahin, Jubilee House criminal. Akosua Menu, Jubilee House criminal. Charles Bisu, Jubilee House staffers. Started from Jubilee House. So ask yourself, then toilet Jubilee House, Obia Pesa Okora Parliament. They know the corrupt activities they have been involved in. These are criminals. These are jailbirds. And Ghanaians, mama ye ninaho. When we refu, ye pulo bia record ba everything about them is criminal. Kwa samanka seneko hesibia omucheska oho. And these people, Gabby and Eddie Omunyeko Parliament. They need these people in Parliament. Now then a whole government eba abemu for only 2 terms. All the people who work at Jubilee House will be a person called Parliament. Samuel Abujinapo, every year sika no dey ko Parliament. Eye asenso Boakye na oye djuma as the Parliament Jubilee House presidential advisor was he also is in Parliament. Now, you Hina or spokesperson for the president, or so also person rap parliament. Akosia Bedu or your PR, Edema Rebecca Akufo Addo, my sister's keeper Sikano, on the fan Kessie, on also person called parliament. Charles Bisu, no a presidential staffer. On this also person rap parliament. Jefferson Saki, no also a PR to the president, Jubilee House, on this person rap parliament. Pious Hajide. Ono so visa racketeering ono so esosa nipa be 19 e de kwa abrochiri ekwache no e so ko jail ono so be so rap parliament ekwa we see galamsey party yesika excavators over 2000 waton wadi onim say powers so be ko jail. These people are all jail candidates. So the question is how did they even win? How did they even win their primaries? Ask yourself. Because these people are not in and out politicians, and they were on the ground where they are in and out politics. Into Busawon say, how were they able to win their primaries? Busawon. Because if Akosia Menu is a mere PR or a mere a spokesperson for Rebecca, how was she able to go and fight with grassroots people or a constituency to go win a Yesika at the Tamfree Jubilee House and the protecting? Busawon said, how were they able to even win their primaries? They have the money. These people have the money. They have stolen hard money. So Bank of Ghana $60 billion. I say, yeah, tamomo. Because now Gabby mo will say they need the whole people in conform to Jubilee House. No, they need to move all of them into parliament. Now they need to do something in parliament. The idea is to frustrate John Mahama's government.
On YouTube.
They are being financed, sponsor of Jubilee House.
Hot news all time.
It was I say now one no more politics. Anka say say we mu the person ko the MP. Omo constituency. Omo ye adwuma for rank ma bedura. Den na we mu tumi ko je primaries free omusem. These are the people with the galamsey money. These are the people being sponsored by Jubilee House. Omo was sika omo de mankofo. They have raw money in the house. You jina he was sika. Ne yire beka kire musel akwawe. Before 2016, now you say you deny onye adwuma da, owie school onye adwuma bi ada. Sammy wukusu sa. You deny him. Ye ne wife be catch say akwa we 2016, the only be trying rent 1,000 Ghana no ni bi. And the you deny or forerunners be 400. Our real estate Ghana and oba omo real estate you deny him kan onye ska no way. Eko we see. Or your ex-convict e UK, eko we see. Do you know? Eko we see. Or your ex-convict, the same way Gabby or ex-convict, no. Ex-convict are sponsoring ex-convict. Eko ewusi. Or your ex-convict, you chini to move UK, or a criminal. Or you're criminal. So how and they Ghana? Then you two must uncle for parliament. Then a bekan argument say yanko to abamanko for. I'm asking you a simple question. Yanji Ghana, you say Ghana, you say Ghana ye. Near the who pia kron for parliament. How do we fix it? How are we going to fix this? Ekwe we see ex-convict. He's being pushed by ex-convicts. Ekwe we see okoda jail or UK or ya kronfo. Into Ghana ni also ya Christo ni in Krebonia or pepe yo Ghana me you know kronfo na de parliament. Where Jimmy? Where oh ye we? These people are all criminals. Gabby otchere and Omatina say we need these people in parliament. Look, we're gonna catch them all. Now, yes, sorry, and the Atini Electoral Commission almost said 39 pick up presidential forms. Electoral Commission said apart from 12 registered political parties, 27 individuals have also picked up codes to download the presidential forms to contest as independent presidential candidates. Mensah said, Nipa a year 27 almost person running as independent presidential candidates. Benyi coda almost so eba pick forms. Already know there were 27 political parties in Ghana. But enyo wanwa. EC Chrono Mubo United is only the NDC that is forcing the EC to do the right thing. Anytime a NDC raises issues about EC Omojumano, at the end of the day, the NDC, they stand justified. Every time you raise the issue about then the inconsistencies, easy plots and plans of rigging the election, no, every single time you raise the issue, no, Obiagu say NDC for some corner, it is valid, and every day you say easy, every single day they are not capable of running these elections. But the funny thing is, there were about 26 political parties that can NDC registered political parties. But every day, you call IPACA, NDC, and the facts ba, NDC, and the busa questions, no, NDC, and they demanding results. And to busa, say the 26 political parties that can. The echoes of Ghana, a registration, and the inconsistencies, and register being bloated. You're moving forward other regions, no. Sa other political parties, no. Nipa and IPAC Libyana.
On YouTube. Hot news.
Ghanaians are not supposed to waste their time on any political party in Ghana.
Hot news all time.
Che, Oko Isiwa. 26 political parties are aka omuka NDC hono. About 20 of them, omunya NPP for. They are being funded by NPP. Every single thing they do, they are just a distraction. Almost the 2020 elections, you know. Omuwie numbers, no. Sa parties when omuwie numbers be the NPP there, no. What is a party be raising issue? No. What is a kwadonko ewia numbers be NPP? What is okasa? No. What is say eye omo amaka odikemu ne eye den eye akpalumu ne amaka no. What is omu raise issue? Hassan Ayarga is very loud. Did you hear him raise an issue? Said the numbers no obodo musakai no. He never. I am telling you something. They all go into these elections. Other political parties, no. They go into these elections as a business deal. They go in there to make sure say party or power no will sort them out. That is what they go to do. There are some people you see their faces on their ballot paper every 4 years. They know they will not win. They use that to do business. They know they will not win. They know they cannot even get 400,000 votes. Even 100,000 votes, 90% of the 26 political parties don't count, and at 24, they know they will not get 100,000 votes or even 50,000. But they are always at IPAC. They are there. 12 political parties, They are apart from the 12 political parties, the 27 independent presidential candidates and Akoji quote, no. It is our 12 political parties, no. About 9, no, they are there for the NPP. Bear 3B, and they are genuinely there trying to make sure the right thing is done, because someone know a investment. So consistently in our elections, no, obi this odike, obi this akpalu, obi this sa majority of the they are there. They are NPP affiliates. NPP in the show they are there to distract Ghana's elections. Our democrats, no, they are there to tweak it to help the NPP, which is a criminal party. In this study. So 12 political parties in Ghana, no, emu be 9 there. Omu nyina ko IPAC, omu nyina wo competition mu just to make sure you be real mabane dia ma NPP. That's all. They are not there because they want the right thing to be done. Obaso catch them say NDC nkwane party a obohu say ye voter registration exercise no ye yinkofo numbers akwa. Omo maka no ni agents. Omo maka no ko check register no. They are out there, they know. Apalunim, Odikenim, Ekwadonkomunim, Omo Makani Niromunim. They want the NPP to rig, because the more NPP rigs, the more they get money. About 9 out of the 12 political parties who contested NDC 2020, the presidential candidates made more money than anything else. They sold the elections. Omo na omo catcher omo agents say ye kan abanona say omo wie mama NPP a aya omo contest NDC for no. Into make polling stations no. Polling station na ye kan abano ubo say kwadonko party agent na any NDC ni na kon ubo say de odike agent na ho no one NDC ni na kon ubo say akpalu agent na ho no one NDC ni na agent na kon una de they are the ones who are saying said the NPP be true. They don't even care about what they will get to. They are at the polling station to protect NPP ballots, to make sure omabana omunya obi disakpalu otuminya ebia 200 near 20 amano near the sa 180 na koma MPP uncontested ni agent in contested say tisa 180 the ma MDC and the agent be contested. That is what they do at polling stations. That is what they do. In elections ni bedura, majority of those 12 political parties, about 7, 8, 9 of them, they are also their agent are almost fighting NDC for no. Anytime catch us say NDC for can say protect your ballot, be there, because the other political parties of Bohoro, they are not there because of free fair elections. So they are there because they have taken money from the NPP. They are there to suppress the NDC for no. Into say you 9 political parties na obia also sign obia and contesting numbers na NDC nkwa contest ya the EC agent to say unko na contest Akpalu ni beka say yeah ye wiare no problem. Odikedi ni beka say yeah ye wiare no problem. Ekwadonko ni because they are there as NPP their avenue. And intina NDC elections omo breno. Into be NDC agent bako na on 8 political parties agent kontokwa. Because all the rest now they are doing what? They are there to make sure omo numbers ni area dia ma MP. Na me say you call esikadu keten. Baby a Dr. Grace eye omo wi na ba edema eye Jogate no. The question is, na political parties bisu ni wo. Time na omo wi aba no, omo change figures ewo esikadu keten no. Other political parties no, did they speak? No. They were all there and telling Jogate to steal the elections. That is what happened there. In Tubakono, no muguo. In the NDC for you people are supposed to get a lot of your supporters at the ground. Eh? The moment Amubeja grounds are empty, no, that is when Apalu Ekwadonko. Because let me tell you, Apalu ni Ekwadonko no makano. Election day, no, the Omakacho agents and say Monko Hona Monko Boy NPP. That's what they tell them. They don't tell her NDP, Nana Kuredu party. They are not going there to help the NDC to make sure the election is free and fair. No. Nana Kuredu in Ashanti region onya over 80,000 votes. Busa ho okunya way. Mumusa Monsa Nana Kuredu Ajman Rollins. JJ Rollins a party no. Headquarters Kromunibi. Party a office Kromunibi. Party officer Omuba Junso Kromunibi. And se kwa Ashanti region no. Omutiminya 80,000 votes. Busa ho say free hina baye. They are there to block the NDC. Into NDP phobia omo polling agent another polling station. Their job there is not for free and fair elections. So say you na ba edema NPP on kasada. It's normal. Into NPP. Omuka say we have a strategy. We have a strategy. These are the things they do. They don't have the numbers. Utubiko a place na Tuaba. Now, NDC raise questions about how the numbers are being tallied. Other agents or more other political party will be any problem. Ask yourself why. Now, saying voter registration, what is a party be raising issue? But every time the NDC raises issue, it says, oh, we are correct. And the party no can many agents they know they are part of the rigging system. Omoko Ipaka, the Mensah kwase we can say yeah. But it is dangerous. And then I got and I say, hey. If it was any ordinary elections, that's also Kotwaba Palu, Okotama Kuyadonko, Okotwaba NDP, it is normal. But this election is a different election. So the one vote, Emma, any of these parties, you are killing yourself. The best thing to do is to deprive them of any vote. Say, Omo number and unya number and obe contesting. Now we number. Say, unya number. Ewo polling station na obe contest ana meboa na yanto amawe because sa abana be ma NDP abana wo de be ma Ekwadonko wo de ma Akpalu no wo de ma NDC it is better. You know why? Because at the end of the day Sankwofo no are not ready to kick NPP out of power. Inti bra wo bre no omo after election and before election they are giving millions of dollars. Ekwadonko osoro no be di Mahama atam because Ekwadonko not say mu o den wurem Mahama na man be nipa no hu kaniada. Ekwadonko na on fa toothpaste ntwitwi ne seda Mahama na kire no Mahama ne hu say ye the toothpaste ye the gu toothbrush so e the atwitwi enum or the se na o the dua ne gu nenum say o free but ende onya opportunity a ni yem said ye tia ne chi na okeka nkwase asem na de because it is money that this witch is looking for. She does not care. Akpalu nim so be ko jail. He will do everything possible to do what? To make sure, say, NPP Akonfo will stay in power because Akpalu ni so abokro no. Akwaya ni see 2 year friends with DKGBGB. Only message. Omo message way. Omo manifesto way. And then I was on my gun on but every time they get the opportunity to sit on TV, nobody did Mahama them. They are scared. Almost source of my odikejuma beno e nanya mpobwa no ton mpobwa kwa untuma anye enegu. Mpobwa na no ton. Party or tea omo pamono. Kwasi ampenyi say ori na ti radio so ka cha 7 tuma Mahama. De Mahama ye endo dike o wasantimem na yare bona. Onya hospital papa nko obewu. Se wia da ho ne kwasi anko e demonstration say yembie se wia. Akpalu ni odike omo kwasi anko e demonstration say yembie den eye kumewu. Omo nka say omo kwasi yenko bie den eye afare. Omo dom kwasi TV so edidi Mahama. You know why? Because omo de mu ye business. It is a small parties no. The earlier mobeti ase nobody should vote for them. Sa other political parties, eye Apalu, Odike, Ekwadonko, Nanakure, Wemuno, they are NPP surrogates. Ejuma mo no strictly for NPP. Mena make catch now. Apalu de so Jimmy Akufo Addo. Na about you feel me.
Yo, waiting for winning and someone about the door. Yapuno so make out say hi GC News. And indeed, so when you subscribe for more than say over subscribe to the channel. Now feel so we are like a video give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer so now when you be here and say how to get latest and hot news. Kwa enamide bremo. Also waiting me otchere Gyamfi and so we now will comment boxing. Mobati make a video in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.